Imagine this. Someone asks you, "Can you introduce yourself?" And suddenly your mind goes blank. Don't worry. Today we will learn how to introduce ourselves in English. आज आपण स्वतःची ओळख इंग्रजीमध्ये आत्मविश्वासाने कशी करून द्यायची ते शिकणार आहोत. हाय एव्हरीवन, दिस इज पूजा. वेलकम बॅक टू आवर इंग्लिश लर्निंग जर्नी. डे 22. 0 to fluent English in 30 days. Why is introduction important? Whether it's school, college, job interview, new friends, social events, people often ask, "Tell me about yourself." So let's learn a simple introduction. Hello everyone. नमस्कार सर्वांना. My name is Pooja. माझं नाव पूजा आहे. I am from Maharashtra. मी महाराष्ट्रातून आहे. I am learning English every day. मी दररोज इंग्रजी शिकत आहे. I enjoy making videos and learning new things. मला व्हिडिओ बनवायला आणि नवीन गोष्टी शिकायला आवडतात. My goal is to speak English confidently. माझं ध्येय आत्मविश्वासाने इंग्रजी बोलणं आहे. थँक यू. धन्यवाद. Now let's say everything together. Hello everyone. My name is Pooja. I am from Maharashtra. I am learning English every day. My goal is to speak English confidently. Thank you. See, that's already a good introduction. Don't try to memorize a big introduction. Start with 3 to 4 lines. Speak clearly. Speak slowly. Confidence is more important than speed. Stand in front of a mirror today and introduce yourself in English for 30 seconds. Even if you make mistakes, keep speaking. Remember, every fluent speaker was once a beginner. Nobody starts perfectly. The person who practices daily improves daily. Comment below. My name is. I am learning English. Tomorrow we will learn how to order food in English. Simple conversation. Keep learning. Keep speaking. Keep improving, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.